This is the second and last part of the video how to set up shipping rates in Catalook. And the third range is from 10.01 to 30, comma again, 10.01 dash to 30 equals to 4.8 kilograms. Now, to finalize, we can put comma 30.0 or just 30. I mean, it doesn't make any difference to have the cents here. So now from 30 kilograms upwards, we can charge another rate. Let's say, but we don't specify a range anymore. We just put the last one, the last weight, which is 30.1. The next, oh, actually 30.01. Let's put it like this. Dash, and we keep it empty because there's no limit anymore. This is the maximum. This is the top range right now. So there's no limit upwards. So 30.01 to any other amount on top of it equals to, and then I can put any other amount, let's say $10. I don't know. In our case, I don't have that information, so I'll just leave it up to this. So again, we have specified 3 ranges, and again, we are using the same rule because it's all 3 rules apply to the same destination country, which is Belgium. Now, where do I set Belgium? In the next field, country. But do I put Belgium there? No. In the country field, we're gonna put the abbreviation of the country. But now you may ask, okay, how do I know all the different abbreviations of all the different countries? Now you can go to DNN, and DNN does have that stored in the database. I'm going to show you where you can locate that. Give me just 1 second. So Catalook uses a table called lists to store list information. And one of those lists is a list of countries. So let's go to another tab here. If we go to host lists, and you click on country, then you see a list of all the countries and the abbreviation, what it says here, the values. So the value is the information that I have to enter into the country field. So in this case, I have already set aside all the different country codes. So for Belgium, country is BE. State and province, I'm going to leave it as empty. I'm not going to cover anything else, any other fields here. I mean, this is basically what I'm proposing to show right now. I will just keep it visible and active. So let's try to save this. Okay, so the rule is saved. And now we just have to keep adding the next and the next rules. Let me go to the next one. Logic is the same. I will just repeat the logics with each and every single rule here. And I'll come back in a second. Okay, so I'm just about to create another rule. Again, I am keeping the same shipping company name. This is the name of my new rate. This is the range, again, based on weight. One range, the second, the third, and the fourth range. So we have 4 ranges here. Country codes, again, if we're talking about more than one country, we just have to put comma between their abbreviation. I'm not choosing anything else here. Visible, active, click save. So I still have 2 more sets of rules to enter. This is one. This is the next one. Okay, so the third rule, which is this one here, I have just finished. So I'm gonna save as well. Now I'm going to the last one. Okay, so now I'm facing a bit of a problem because the country field is not allowing me to add all the country abbreviations. So what I have to do is I have to split this rule into two rules. One to take care of half of the countries, another rule to take care of the other half of the countries for this rule. Actually, I'm having to spread through a bunch of more rules because, again, the list of countries is huge. So I have to break it down into a couple of different rules. Okay, so I have finally finished to spread the countries for the last rule, because again there were a lot of countries. So I spread that across five different rules. Now the last rule is not related to weight, it's related to price. So for shipments for purchase above $50, what will happen is that there will be free shipping. So how are we gonna set that rule? Very simple. Post, let's keep the same. Let's call this free shipping. Formula is based on dollar amount. What is the range? The range is 50 plus, so above 50. Again, there's no upward limit, it's just 50 dash without anything else, so it's upwards, equals to 0. What this means is that for purchases, again, range, value amount, dollar amount, 50 upwards, the shipping will be 0. It's not country specific, so I'm going to leave the country field open, and I'm just gonna save this. Okay, so this is basically it. This is how we go about setting up shipping rules on Catalook. Now, for more information, please go to the user menu of Catalook around page 278, 279, where it says formula. It explains with a lot of details, but again, I have covered pretty much what they have explained here. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.